thank God for my life and for my family. Last year, April 30, I went to labor room. After delivering the baby died back. I came to Intercessors Camp last year with it full of tears. And when they are celebrating for Happy New Year, I came here, I just lie down and be sharing tears. I said, God, it's not easy to go for 9 months and come back with clothing bag. God, I reject it and I will not do it again. And I thank God for the pastors that I have in my church, Pastor Tonoba and Pastor Best. They are really pastors. Reaching this year, after that thing happened, to got pregnant again, I'm very scared because I passed many things in labor room, but God used them to manifest things. Reaching this year, I got pregnant earlier November. I delivered this year, August 4th, bouncing baby boy. I said, God, I came this Intercessor Camp with a full of joy. When I'm dancing here, people don't know the reason why I'm dancing. I said, God, who make it to be possible for me? Who make it? I deliver my baby 4.2. No operation, no tear, no bleeding, nothing. I said, God, you are God and you are God. When one is saying here that God is God, that when you have faith, God will do things for you. I believe this faith is working. I believe on God. And I keep my faith on this Intercessor Camp on that day. I say, God, as I'm standing up, I'm taking over my bouncing baby boy back. And I stand up, I take it back. The day of my labor, it is just like I'm just want to weary. I went to deliver a 4-point child. I said, God, you are God of never, you never fail. God, I say thank you. Thank you for giving me this. Thank you for making it to be possible for me. For giving my baby and and we are living fine. Nobody will find in the hospital. I delivered to the doctor that delivered me asking madam, are you the one that delivered this baby? I said, yes, I'm the one. He said, your God is my life. I said, God, thank you.
Every for me, He seals upon